So, you finally decided to buy your first drone or maybe upgrade to a better one, but suddenly you're overwhelmed. Where can you fly? What are the rules? And most importantly, which drone should you actually buy? If you've done even a little research, one name keeps coming up again and again. DJI. They dominate the drone market for a reason. Easy controls, powerful cameras, smart safety features, an unbeatable value for money. However, as of January 2026, the newest generation of DJI drones is not officially available in the US. Because of that, this video is specifically aimed at Canada and the rest of the world. DJI recently launched several exciting models, and if you're a beginner, choosing the right one can be confusing. That's why today on GadgetVerse we're breaking down 3 of the best DJI drones for beginners, organized in a simple good, better, best format. Starting with the DJI Neo2, this is the most affordable and beginner-friendly option. Priced under $260. What makes the Neo2 special is how easy it is to fly. You can control it using hand gestures, voice commands, your smartphone, or even completely hands-free. It's designed for casual users who want to capture their daily activities like running, cycling, or travel moments without worrying about complex controls. Despite its small size, it offers 4K video, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and intelligent subject tracking, making it a surprisingly capable starter drone. Next up is the DJI Flip, which sits perfectly in the middle. It features a unique flip-out folding design that allows it to stay compact while offering improved performance. With a larger sensor, better low-light capability, 10-bit D-Log color, and higher byte rates, the Flip is ideal for creators who want more cinematic footage. Without jumping to a professional price range, while it lacks full obstacle avoidance, it includes smart braking and advanced tracking that works well for people and slower-moving subjects. At the top of the list is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone truly punches above its weight. Equipped with a 1-inch 50MP sensor, it delivers stunning oversampled 4K video at up to 120 fps, exceptional dynamic range, and professional-level color depth. One of its standout features is the rotating gimbal, which allows true vertical video without cropping, perfect for social media creators. It's also significantly more stable in windy conditions, thanks to stronger motors and the absence of propeller guards, resulting in smoother, more professional footage. When it comes to safety and tracking, all 3 drones offer intelligent subject tracking, but the Mini 5 Pro clearly leads the pack. It can track fast-moving objects like cars and boats at speeds up to 54 kilometers per hour while actively avoiding obstacles in all directions. This makes it a powerful tool not just for hobbyists, but also for semi-professional and professional creators. Control options also vary across the lineup. The Neo2 offers the most flexibility with gesture control, voice commands, smartphone operation, RC controllers, and even FPV goggles. The Flip supports most of these options except gesture control, while the Mini 5 Pro is designed primarily for traditional RC controller use, offering precision and extended range up to 20 kilometers. Battery life is another key factor. In real-world testing, the Neo2 delivers about 15 minutes of flight time, the Flip around 23 minutes, and the Mini 5 Pro offers the longest endurance, especially with its extended battery option. While DJI's advertised numbers are optimistic, all 3 drones provide solid performance when used responsibly. So, which one should you choose? If you want the easiest, most fun entry into drones, the Neo2 is a great start. If you're looking for better video quality and creative flexibility, the Flip is a strong middle ground. And if you want near professional results in a compact form, the Mini 5 Pro is absolutely worth it.